Recently, I just hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I realized that YouTube doesn't give out 100 subscriber play buttons. So I decided to make my own. And this is what I made. I think this thing is pretty cool. The only thing I don't like is this little hole on the side right here. I couldn't fill that in. But other than that, it's really cool. I did use a bit of an illegal technique, putting hot glue here, right there, you can see it in there, and also to put this paper on. Other than that, it is 100% Lego. The base of it, the inside of the base, let me take this off real quick. The inside is hollow. I just threw on whatever piece that fit, and it turned out pretty nice. Before I end this video, I have a challenge for all my viewers. I hid an emoji somewhere in this video, and the first one to find it and give me the correct time, I will shout out in my next video. Well, that's it for today's video, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so I can make another YouTube play button when I hit 200 subscribers.